What is going on, guys? It's Jay. Thanks for checking out my trade journey again. So I just want to kind of do a little recap. I was a little hesitant to trade this week just because if you watched the first video on my cheap trading setup, I'm down around $500, which is the bare minimum you can have with Suretrader and still trade with margin. So I was a little leery of losing enough that it would put me under 500, and I really don't want to have to put any more money into this account. So it kind of got me thinking um, about my P&L and maybe about the trades I've made. So I went back through my trade journal and I was looking at some stuff, and I haven't made incredibly terrible trades, but sometimes you make a trade and you look in the trade journal and you think, well, why did I do that? Like, why did I decide to get in there? And with the exception of the first month or two that I was journaling, I really haven't felt that way. I mean, I may have gotten in um, against my better judgment because I had seen some things and the trade didn't go against me, and it just kind of confirmed, the signs that I had been seeing, and that's okay. For me, that's learning. But I was looking on a website called TraderView. TraderVue is the website, and you can load in your trades for a time period, and it'll kind of give you a little summary and show you, where you're red, where you're green. And I didn't. I guess I knew that SureTrader had steep commissions, but I didn't realize how big they are when you've got a small account. So what I did was I went ahead and downloaded my P&L summary, and this is for 2017, but my first trades were back in February with SureTrader. By and large, I'm down almost 20%. Figure you take that 180, and then I've had $200 in platform fees come out so far. So let's say that I hadn't even been charged any commissions at all, and I would still be down, almost 40% of my money, right? Well, look how much the commissions are. So not only did I lose almost $200, but nearly twice that I was charged in commissions. So you need to be careful with SureTrader. I know I said, hey, it's the best setup, and if you want to day trade and you don't have a lot of money and you don't know how to trade options, then it's pretty much the only route you can go. And I just want to kind of show this so people see just how much the fees can eat you alive, right? If you're not a winning trader. If you look at my realized money here, I didn't win a whole hell of a lot, right? It's less than 50% accuracy. That would be okay if my losers were smaller than my winners. But you see, I had a couple of pretty large losers, right? This one I tried to do some revenge trading when I had an order that didn't execute my stop limit because I had something messed up on my hotkeys, I think. So I had, I made a couple extra trades that obviously didn't pan out. Here again, made some trades. It didn't work out. This one, again, I had a bunch of trades here. So I've learned to stop revenge trading through seeing my P&L numbers. But again, I just want to show, kind of show you the summary. If you want to start out with a small account, I definitely encourage you to do so. But be realistic about your share size and how much you're realistically expecting to make. You can see that, I started out with around, I've done, 100, 200, 300, up to 400 shares at a time, because that's all I'm comfortable with right now. So if you're one of those people and you're like, I got $1,000, I'm just going to roll the dice and I'm going to risk, all my money on a trade, that could be a recipe for losing all of your money. So I'm going to give you guys some numbers to look at to get an idea of just how much you really need to make to stay in the green, to pay for your platform. If you're using the DAS Pro, like I said, that's $50 a month. And then commissions, commissions are gonna eat you alive if you're not careful. So just a quick summary of that. Again, if questions or are curious, want to know some more about the DAS Pro platform or the commissions, I've got this stuff grouped up, but they have these additional fees that they charge you on top of the actual commission. So make sure you check out their commission structure and what these other trade fees are, so you know what you're getting into. Thanks.